Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all your Toyota Tundra news and information. We are doing a very small upgrade / install to my 2026 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. I went on Amazon. Here it is. I spent less than 50 bucks. I think it was $47.90 something for two things that need to go in this truck. One, I've had in my other Tundras. It's must have. I don't understand why Toyota doesn't do this from the factory. And number two, we're trying something new out of a small, slight complaint I have about the area down by the wireless charger. So let's get this bag open and I will show you the two items I bought from Amazon just the other day. All right, the first part we're gonna put in, I did this in my 1794, the last Tundra I had as well, is going to be a cover that goes over this piano shiny black area down by the shifter. As you could see, everything else is more of a matte black, a plastic, or maybe some soft touch. But this area here is a shiny piano black and it gets scratched very easily. As you could see how dirty it gets, it's insane. I mean, you could keep it clean by wiping it down constantly, but I think because of all of the surrounding area being more of that flat plastic look, the cover looks 10 times better. And again, it's not expensive and it's a quick, easy upgrade. So we're gonna install that real quick. First, you gotta make sure you wipe this down really good before you put the new piece on top of it. So that's what it looks like when it's all cleaned up. I don't know, it just kind of looks out of place to me. So let's get the cover out of the box and see what it looks like. And then we'll do a mock placement to make sure everything lines up good before we actually expose the tape and stick it down permanently. Okay, folks, here's the new piece that's gonna go on top of the piano black. So it has tape on the back and you gotta peel each piece, kind of a pain, but is what it is. Okay, finished product on the trim piece here. You can't tell me that doesn't look a million times better than what was there before. It looks like it's meant to be. There won't be scratches. It won't look dirty all the time. I don't know, money well spent. This thing was like 20 bucks. I'll put the link in the description below of the one I found on Amazon that I used. I ended up using the same exact company and the same exact one that I used in my 2024 1794. There's a bunch of different companies out there, but yeah, this does the job. Super quick, simple install. Now let me show you the other thing that I bought. If you look at this area here, you could throw your wallet down there, change, keys, whatever. But I ended up, when I was buying this, I was like, I might as well give this a whirl. It's only gonna be like 20 bucks. It's a little compartment area that goes down here that maybe will help you organize a little bit instead of just throwing stuff down here. I don't really use my wireless charger. I don't know if it'll get in the way, but let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, here it is. I think I like it. You could totally still get to the wireless charger. It's just in the front here and it comes right out if you don't like it. It's not like a permanent thing. Just slides right in. locks into the area nicely. It's got the little push button here, lift it open, and it's just more of an area that you could throw some of your stuff in, make it look more cleaned up and organized. So if people look in the car, they don't see stuff laying all over here. It just looks like it belongs in the truck. I don't know. Sometimes you don't have to spend $700 to get a nice upgrade in your truck. You could spend 20 bucks and do something small like this. I'll give it a whirl for a little while, but I think the best part is this is not permanent. If you don't want to use it, pull it right out. And if you're, away with the family or something and you don't want everything in the open for if people look in the vehicle, you could put this right in here, open it up, put your stuff in there. Comes with a little pad on the bottom for limited slip. I don't know. 20 bucks well spent, I think. Well, it's nice every once in a while to show you parts that don't cost $1 million to install on your Tundra. These are two very small things, but I feel like very important, especially that trim piece that goes over the shifter area. Must have. That's how it should come from factory, from Tundra. I see a lot of complaints about that shiny area, how scratched up and dirty it gets almost right away. This is a nice way to fix that for 20 bucks, and it looks like it belongs from the factory. Let me know what you think in the comments below about these two small little upgrades to the interior. If you have some small upgrades, whether it be to the exterior or the interior of your Toyota Tundra that you would like people to hear about, go down in the comments and let us know what you bought. But until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Don't forget, down in the description of this video, I will put the link to these two items from Amazon in case you want to give it a whirl. Take care.